I don't have peace and I am in death. This is just a reminder to each and every one of us that when we're struggling of different kinds of troubles, that we don't have peace within our heart and we are in death. Believe me, look upon God in heaven and ask Him to bless you indeed. Ask Him to guide you and lead you in this very moment. God is fighting your battle. When you can call upon Him, you know that He has the final say. That's when you experience peace that passes understanding, peace where you can sleep in the storm and through the battles. You can do it when you trust and believe in God.